Hello children. Now we are going to study about elevation in boiling point. As this is another colligative property, second colligative property, which depends on the number of particles. This is represented by del Tb. Notation for this is del Tb. Now we'll see elevation in boiling point. Why does it occur? First of all, whenever we add non-volatile solute to a liquid solvent, to a liquid or volatile solvent, we get a liquid solution. And for this, as per Raoult's law, relative lowering in vapor pressure take place. This we have studied in last colligative property, which was relative lowering in vapor pressure. Whenever a non-volatile solute is added to a liquid solvent, there occurs lowering in vapor pressure. That means vapor pressure of solution is lesser than vapor pressure of pure solvent. This takes place. So since vapor pressure decreases, vapor pressure of solution decreases. So boiling point increases. What is boiling point? Boiling point is the temperature at which atmospheric pressure becomes equals to vapor pressure of the substance. The temperature at which atmospheric pressure becomes equals to vapor pressure of the substance. Vapor pressure of the solution will become equal to atmospheric pressure. The substance starts boiling, and that temperature is called as boiling point. So we'll find, since when non-volatile solute is added, then vapor pressure of solution decreases, and due to decrease in vapor pressure there occurs increase in the boiling point. This means if vapor pressure of solution is vapor pressure of solution is less than the vapor pressure of pure solvent. If vapor pressure of solution is less, that means more temperature is required, more heat is required to achieve the boiling point. So we'll find that boiling point of solution increases. It will be more than the boiling point of the pure solvent. Am I clear? Whenever non-volatile solute is added, vapor pressure of solution decreases, and we'll find, since there is a decrease in vapor pressure of solution, more heat is required to bring the solution to boil up, and for this, at more temperature the solution will start boiling, and that's why the boiling point of solution will be more than the boiling point of pure solvent. If boiling point of solution is represented by Tb, let Tb is the boiling point of solution in which non-volatile solute is added, and Tb naught is the boiling point of pure solvent. As I told that boiling point of solution will be more than the boiling point of pure solvent. That means Tb is greater than Tb naught. Since Tb is greater than Tb naught, that means Tb minus Tb naught will be del Tb. This del Tb is the elevation in boiling point. How much elevation means increase? How much increase is there in boiling point on adding non-volatile solute? So this is one expression for the elevation in boiling point. Boiling point of solution will be more, and from that boiling point of pure solvent, which is lesser, will be subtracted, will get the elevation in boiling point. So let us see graphically. Let us see graphically also this thing. If vapor pressure is plotted against temperature, that is boiling point, suppose this is the curve for the solvent, we'll find on adding solute the curve is this. This curve is for solvent and this is the curve for solution. If you will see the maximum point of the two curves, this is the value for Tb naught and this is the value of Tb. So from here it is evident that boiling point of solvent, pure solvent, is lesser than boiling point of solution. When vapor pressure is plotted against boiling point temperature, we'll find that solvent boils at lower temperature. On adding non-volatile solute in it, the solution formed which will boil at higher temperature. This difference is the value of del Tb. This difference is value of del Tb, that is elevation in boiling point. So this is diagram for the elevation, graph for the elevation in boiling point. Now we will see how it is colligative property. How del Tb is colligative property. We know del Tb is directly proportional to molality. M is the molality of the solution. M is the molality of the solution. Del Tb is directly proportional to M. So when we remove proportionality sign, del Tb equals to Kb M. Kb is the constant called as ebuloscopic constant. Ebuloscopic constant. Also called as molar elevation constant. Molar elevation constant. It is also called as molar boiling point constant. If M is 1 mole per kg, if you have solution 1 molar, then del Tb will be equals to Kb. Del Tb will be equals to Kb. So how we will define Kb? Ebuloscopic constant is defined as the elevation in the boiling point when the solution contains 1 mole of the non-volatile solute in 1 kg of the solution, 1 kg of the solvent. That means if we have 1 molar solution, in that condition whatever elevation in boiling point is there, that will be equals to ebullioscopic constant. So it is defined as the elevation in boiling point for 1 molar solution or the solution which is having 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 kg or 1000 gram of the solvent. This is the definition for ebullioscopic constant. It is equals to the elevation in boiling point when 1 mole of substance, non-volatile substance, is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. So we will see that now since del Tb is directly proportional to m, and we know m is equals to number of moles dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. So it is directly, m is the directly proportional to number of moles of solute, hence it is colligative property because it is depending on the number of the particles of the solute. So it is colligative property. Thus del Tb is directly proportional to molality. Molality is equals to number of moles dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. So it is dependent on the number of particles of the substance, or that is solute. That's why not on the nature of the solute. So it is colligative property. Now we'll see how we will determine the molar mass of the solute from elevation in boiling point. Whatever colligative property we are studying, in that we will always find out an expression for the determination of molar mass of solute from that colligative property. Molar mass of solute. Now here we have studied molar elevation constant. So from elevation in boiling point. Let us see how we will determine. Now since del Tb, molar elevation in boiling point, is directly proportional to m, on removing this we will put ebullioscopic constant kbm. Now since m is equals to Nb upon Wa into 1000, this we have studied in definition of molality. Therefore, molality is what? How many number of moles of solute are dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent? That is molality. So del Tb equals to Kb Nb upon Wa into 1000. Now from here we will see Nb, since Nb equals to Wb upon Mb. Number of moles are always equals to given mass upon molar mass. So we'll put this value in above expression. Now just put equation number 1, 2. Now here this is 3. Now this one will be 4. Del Tb equals to Kb, Nb की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे Wb upon Mb into Wa into 1000. So this is one expression for del Tb. This was one expression. This is another expression, or this can also be one of the expression can be utilized. Now how we will find the molar mass? How we will find molar mass from here? Just cross multiply. Let us see. MB equals to KB WB into 1000 upon del TB into WA. If we remember this expression, we can find out this. Or you can write del TB equals to TB minus TB naught. MB equals to KB WB into 1000 upon, instead of del TB we will write TB minus TB naught. We can write this also. It's better to go step by step. First you find out the number of moles, then you go for finding out the molality, then keep the values here. It will be better. Just see here, this is the expression number 4, this is expression number 5, this is expression number 6. Del, here it is over. Del TB is directly proportional to molality. So if we remove the proportionality sign, constant of proportionality is Kb, that is ebullioscopic constant. When 1 molar solution we have, then it will be equals to elevation in boiling point. On putting the expression for molality, we will get del TB Kb Nb upon Wa into 1000. Now we know Nb, that is number of moles, is given by given mass upon molar mass. Putting this, we will get the above expression like this: del TB Kb Wb upon Mb Wa into 1000. Now we want to find out Mb, just cross multiply. Mb will come here and del TB will go there. So on cross multiplication we will get Mb equals to Kb into Wb into 1000 upon del TB into Wa. We know del TB, TB minus TB naught. So Mb will become equals to Kb Wb into 1000 TB minus TB naught into Wa. So here we have seen how elevation in boiling point is a colligative property. How does it depend on the number of moles of the particles? We have also seen why elevation in boiling point is there, and we have also determined the formula for the finding out the molar mass of the solute. That's all. We'll be seeing next colligative property, depression in freezing point, in next lecture.